Hi guys, welcome to Easy on It with Sithole. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time when we drop a video, you'll be notified. Guys, today we have somebody special. Very special. Okay, before I dive deep into anything, I want to thank your mom for making this happen. Please introduce yourself. Who are you? And then what is it that you do?
Okay, so Munani everybody, my name is Uzinhle Wakablose, but I go by the stage name Aura, and I am a singer, vocalist, and currently based in Turkey. And yeah, thank you so much for having me. Thank you for inviting me. Sibongo Mama for making all of this happen.
Yeah, man. If it wasn't her, man, none of this could happen. So thank you, mom. I know she does watch this, so thank you very much. Who is Zinhle Plus?
Sure.
Let's start there.
Okay. Who am I?
Your background.
My background.
Do you have siblings? Are you the only child in the family?
No.
Like, what is going on?
No, not at all.
Yeah.
Uzinhle is a girl who grew up in just a small township called Edevlandi.
Okay.
Some call it Freedom Park.
Okay.
And I grew up with both my parents and my sisters and brother. So I have 5 siblings. You know, I have an older brother and 3 older sisters and 1 younger sister.
Okay.
And yeah, so I'm the 5th of the 6.
The 6 years, of course. So you only have like 1 brother?
Yes, just 1 brother. So yeah, that has been me. For the longest time I've known, I've always been really into music, you know, from growing up. My mom was actually one of the inspirations for it, because we were music like really soulful music, you know, your Marvin Gaye's, your Donny Hathaway's, your Shirley Brown's. So I grew up listening to that music, and I guess Uthando Lami grew from there. And then I guess as I grew up then, I started getting interested in singing. You know, I didn't know that I could sing, but yeah, I love singing. I really did. And a couple of me and my friends were into the arts, you know, so we would sing along to our musicals and create our own stages, like us, you know.
That's nice.
Just make a space for us to actually grow in the arts. But that's, I don't have a lot to say really, but I've always been tuli, you know. Growing up, I've been an academic, you know, since primary school. The whole music thing only started later in my primary school, you know, and then as I went to high school, then started joining the school choirs and all of that. But I've always been
We're not into music like that.
Not like that. No, I would be lying if I said I did. I was inspired by it, you know. I grew up to it. I drew from it, but I didn't think that I'd actually make a living out of it, you know. But I guess cooler, get information, and then yeah, the rest is history. But
okay,
yeah.
The first time you're saying you and your friends, you're creating these things, you're singing along, you're mentioning Marvin Gaye and stuff. Excuse me. So, like, when was the first time when you sing? You were like, yo, you know, there's like a singing, right? Where, you know, you just sing along, you know, boom, 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 boom. Like, when did you sing? When you felt like, you know what, this is different from like the time as maybe you were, you know, playing by the lawn with your friends, you know, like at school, maybe playing these things. On our side we call it Mamaskitlan, when we're busy, you know, and stuff, making whatever is
just fooling around.
But like, when was the first time you heard like, you know, this bag of music have beaten me and there's no turning back? Because you mentioned church. You mentioned you were singing on like church choir and everything. Or from
the school choir.
From school choir to church choir as well.
Well,
or
church.
just like
I started singing in church later on, like
Oh.
after even going to school for music. Like now, 2 years ago, I think 2021
Yeah.
was actually my first time singing at church. But I've always like started from the school choir,
yeah,
and then 2018 I joined a choir, a local choir at Sithole called Africa Rise,
Okay.
and that's literally where I
Everything.
grew. That's when I think when the minute I made the decision to actually go and join a choir and go and study music, that's when I knew it's okay.
Okay, who
Yes.
who discovered you at you said Pinville, right?
Yeah, Africa Rise.
Yeah. Who discovered you? Was like, nah, man, I understand this is a choir, but this one here, this is a superstar. Who discovered you?
Honestly, no one did. I went there and auditioned. So a friend of mine, Mpumi,
Shout out to Bumi.
Mpumi Gucci Mube. Yeah, you guys should follow him. He's a very amazing photographer. Mube Photography on Instagram.
Okay. Shout out.
But
Yeah.
he actually is the one who hooked me up with the Africa Rise. So he told me about it. He told me, okay, this is amazing space for us as young aspiring musicians, people who love the arts, who love music. And I'd say, you should come through. Our auditions are open. Come through and audition for the choir. And I did.
I thought this choir, because you guys are around here, so we just go. It's like a normal choir.
No.
There's an audition.
There's an
I
audition.
thought it's only for your acting and stuff.
Choirs, no guys, it's not that easy, man. You don't just decide.
So you mean even your Soweto gospel choir, there's some auditions to get in there?
You audition to
Damn.
go in there. It's not
Crazy.
easy. Like,
I
you don't
thought,
just.
damn. I thought like you just volunteer, said, yo, I do have a voice, boom, 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 or I just want to join.
No, it's not like that. Unless the intention of the choir Leo is to just go kaban.
Yeah.
But with this one, it was more than about that. It was people who really, 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 really are passionate about music and musical theatre. But I didn't know musical theatre at the time, so I only knew the musical side of things and this talent that I had. So I was like, okay, let me just take
some people said there's this thing.
There's this choir.
In
In Pimville. You should come through, bruh. Like, come audition.
So he's working there.
He's in the choir.
Shooting and everything.
No, he was not doing photography at the time.
He was part of the choir.
He's also a singer, yeah.
Okay.
So I go there. I audition. I even remember my auditioning song.
Yeah.
Well, I auditioned with that song, and then they did a couple of things that they wanted us to do, because the choir was more than just singing. There's dancing.
Okay.
Yes, there's dancing.
Now it's more like it's your this is SA Got Talent, everything. Now you're singing, you're entertaining us.
Everything.
This is crazy. Okay.
So yeah, I did that. So there's a guy who helped give me moves to do, and then I did them, and then sharp. And then I had to improvise on a guy playing keyboard, just sing over that just to hear what is my hearing.
Melody and stuff.
You can follow the melodies and stuff.
Yeah.
And I did that, and I got a call back.
They say, yo.
The call back, so they wanted us to come back, and then
now how many are you now?
Sure. I'm no longer in the choir.
Oh, okay.
Yes. I'm no longer in the choir. But those were one of my best musical experiences ever. I think they really, really play a very important role in the artist that I think I'm becoming. So after that, callbacks, and then after callbacks, they gave us songs to prepare to come to callbacks. And
wait. So they give you songs, like they write songs for you.
They give us a list of songs, man.
Okay.
And then so based on
is this songs okay? Is this songs? Did they write these songs, or these songs is like your Marvin Gaye song saying that
it's songs that you needed to how can I put it? They're trying to test your vocal ability, your vocal range, your vocal strength. Because the choir required a lot of vocal strength and range. Yeah, well, so
Okay.
they give you songs that sort of help them identify who's okay. This person's vocal agility is like this. Like we are calling manager. She would make like she would be perfect.
But it's not like you are no longer singing along anybody's songs now.
We are singing songs that people had already existing.
Okay.
You know,
Okay.
for the guys, they gave them. I'm not sure if I remember. I was born by the river. That song, I don't know the name of the song. Mm-hmm. And then the.
But it's somebody's song.
It's somebody's song.
So they want to know if you can turn your tone like maybe similar to these kind of songs that they're giving you.
Yeah, toning is also one of them.
Oh,
you know, hear your tones, hear your vocal range, vocal agilities. Yeah, well, so kind of sharp. We learn the songs, we come back, and then...
This one is a callback, no?
It's a callback,
yeah.
Yes, it's a callback. Yeah. Then after callback, a couple of us are there, you know, Lindi Lengaphandle, and then, then they call us back in, and then they tell us that we're in. Yeah, and, I was so nervous. I was really nervous, I don't want to lie.
Then you felt like they were going to reject you?
I mean, anything was possible. At the time, I was
thought,
really confident.
You can make it, but
as I am now. You know, but it wasn't easy. It really wasn't easy. But I got through. Then the rest was history. We started rehearsing with the choir, you know, and I learned a lot on that journey, you know, in terms of being on stage, you know, and singing with other people, you know, and it was good for me at the time.
And back then, were you like a shy person?
I was a very shy person, shy.
That's been like
it's been a journey. That's why I'm like, it's been a real journey. This whole musical journey is not didn't only just impact my singing, but it impacted my personality as a whole. Because then my confidence grew. You know, I had to learn to be confident, more confident. Because I mean, I was already on this platform, and I cannot be this shy girl anymore. Yeah. But she was still there. But Gangane, she was growing out of it. And then I learned a lot, man. I learned a lot to Africa. I met a lot of amazing people. Some I'm still friends with right now. And the rest is the history.
Then when is this this thing inside you saying now you have to go to the studio now? Now you have to make your own music.
Studio happened when I actually went to school.
To go and study music.
Yes. I went to study.
So you're not just an artist.
So I went to go study music around the same time I joined Africa Rise.
And then where are you studying?
At Central Johannesburg College.
Okay.
Yes. And I studied there. I went to audition as well to get in. I wrote a few tests, you know, just to test my understanding and everything. And
then wait, sorry to cut you off. Okay, and then the course of music, or the course that you're taking and stuff, how long is it?
It was a year 6 months. So it's a year 6 months where you guys study, get all the information that you need.
Okay.
You know, but because music is practical, so we're doing that as well. We were singing, we were learning to teach or train our ears to listen to piano, you know, to be more attentive to our keys, because there's different keys that you play on the keyboard, and you needed to know those things. Your ear needed to sort of gravitate towards a certain key when it's being played. So it taught me that, you know. Also, we were in an ensemble, so we with other musicians, you know, people play keyboard, bass, you know, just different instruments. So it also taught us to work in a band, you know, with other musicians, you know, on the same stage.
How the bass sound, how this sound,
now everybody
like a live band now.
Yes. So it's teaching us to work with other musicians.
Okay.
And then 1 year, 6 months. That was that. And then
schooling.
You get your high certificate after that. And then another 1 year, 6 months doing practical work, you know.
Wait. 1 year, 6 months doesn't cover everything.
No, it did, but you need experience to get your diploma. Okay?
Oh,
So,
okay. Now
you got your certificate.
That's where you say the high certificate.
Yes.
Then now you go back again.
No, you don't go back to school, but you get a place where you can intern, you know, and work there and put in.
Damn.
Put whatever you've learned into practice.
I hear you.
But also some people would go to like church, you know, and actually do that there.
So after, but for 1 year 6 again.
1 year 6 months.
Yeah.
And then
where
after
were
that,
you?
I was at Africa Rise. I remember I was at Africa Rise at the time.
Oh, you come back to where everything started?
Yes,
okay.
I was there at the time, and there was church, and then now, because of a lot of delays that happened during the time, and I lost a lot of things, in Lelewi, like information, you know, proof you would be those things were very hard. Like a lot of things got in the way.
Damn.
So I couldn't do that.
I think it was supposed, but someone from Africa Rise was supposed to do these things for you. That year she was coming, she was attending.
Yeah, no, I was. The person did sign.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they did sign. The musical director did sign and everything. You know, it's just, I guess, Nami at the time I was just I was dragging my feet a lot at the time. You know, I was dragging my feet, but then eventually I gave up on not music. I gave up on
finishing
getting my
I
gave up along the way.
Your diploma.
Yes, for my diploma.
Yeah.
And then it kept Elohim landed. No, you need to finish this thing. And then I remember I started joining church in 2021 in Goshen City, and I actually decided it's okay. Let me use this platform as my practicals as well. And same thing happened. You know, I couldn't finish. You know, I don't know, man. I can't.
What was busy
like
interfering on?
I think it's self-sabotaging. You know when you know what you're close to getting something and then you just sabotage everything for yourself.
Damn.
So that was my problem, kakulu. But then I grew out of it. You know, it wasn't easy for the parents. You know, but
you know, parents want some answers, man, because now they're expecting that, you know, they're investing in this thingy. There's no important thing than a parent holding your certificate, holding your anything, that like, you started these things, but here it is, you know. So no, I understand when you say, now you feel like you're disappointing your parents and you're always trying these things. When they say, now, you know, parents are too proud. She's gonna be sweeping around the yard and now she's gonna be saying, my daughter is doing this, only to find out you're not even finishing what you're doing. So it's very disappointing.
Yeah, no, it was. For myself as well. As well. You know, I guess I was just like missing comfortable with my high certificate. I was like, okay, chapeau. Because it was a practical and theoretical course, so I managed to grasp as much as I can during that period. But because I wanted to finish what I started, I had to find a way to continue that, you know. So
to maneuver and get this thing,
you know. So I guess right now where I'm at, I'm currently doing that.
Oh, you're still pushing.
I'm pushing for my diploma. Yes, you know. But that's it, man.
No,
that's not a lot.
No. You can't say that's it. Wait. I wanna know when. Like, how did you get an agent?
I never had an agent.
Guys, she's traveling and she's saying she doesn't have an agent.
I never had an agent. So what happened is that my friend.
But you have your own music.
A collaboration with a friend of mine from CJC, Central Johannesburg College, DJ D-Raid Paul.
Shout out to DJ.
So the name of the album is Christmas in July. Damn. And I was a part of that. you know, I wrote 2 songs in the album.
So it's just you and this DJ.
No, totally. So, you know, but there's a couple of people who also were a part of the project that are from Central Johannesburg College.
Oh, okay.
You know, so
okay,
it was a very beautiful and special project because Ibienzwe it's song from the same school, and
you were like a mini squad and cape. So let's go and do these things, guys.
We did
as a team.
We did it,
but you as like a solo artist, do you have your own music?
Not yet.
But like, are you hitting the studios? Are you trying to?
I haven't done that yet, but I'm planning to. I've been writing though.
I saw you performing, guys. Somewhere I think it was Snowy. Mom, she showed me some way you just. So why are you sleeping on yourself, dog?
I'm not sleeping on myself. I guess.
But
I don't.
But like the music that you wanna do is soul R&B. Is it soul R&B or just soul?
Right now, I am not sure because I've been exposed to different genres while I was in Turkey, and they influenced a lot of my music capabilities. And also, I guess I'm open now, more open to doing just different types of music. I don't really know where to place myself right now, you know. So yeah.
Okay, I hear you. You grow up listening to this soul music, this R&B type vibe and stuff. What do you think about amapiano?
Nah, I won't do amapiano.
But do you know you can still sing like your you know Sunday session type vibes.
Yeah,
blues,
I get you.
Yet it's on pianos.
I know, but I'm more into piano. I love listening to piano too much. But I've drawn more into deep house.
Deep house.
That's me. That's where I see myself. But I'm going like more commercial. I'd probably venture into that, you know, or
Misaki type vibe. That's like
yes, you know, Monique Bingham, you know, you know, work with people like DJ Candy, you know, because those are people that really love their music.
Momo, this can work, man. I can hear you in there on Momo's thing. Come on.
Yeah, he's really amazing, you know. But I also grew up listening to DJ Ken a lot.
Yeah.
You know, and I remember I loved listening to Amamix Wake back then, you know. So yeah, and then but now, I love his music.
First time in a flight, who booked you?
It's the company.
Oh, it's a company.
The company books you a flight to go to Turkey.
Wait. A very same company that you guys, all of you, produced this project and stuff.
So what happened is that Turkey has nothing to do with anything here.
Oh, okay.
It has nothing to do with anything here. They didn't even know about anything I've done here. They only wanted singers that side, you know, for entertainment. And got the gig through a friend of mine, Connie, and she told me, "Go no, bruh. Actually, company's looking for people, and I think you should come through."
Yeah.
You know,
and I just contact with you.
So I auditioned as well there. I sent videos to the manager.
You singing?
Yes.
Yeah.
I sent videos.
It's like auditions.
Yes.
Yeah.
But because I couldn't be there physically, so I sent videos and then after that, manager saw the videos and it's like, okay, cool.
I was like, yo, there's something here.
You can work with this, and gave me the gig. The rest was history. Had to sort out my paperwork and everything, you know, get my visa application going, you know, and everything. So I go there, and
now you're in Turkey.
Now I'm in Turkey.
Listen, now you're in Turkey. Now it's your first time performing in front of these people. Who is what are you feeling inside you? Now you're standing there the first time. Now you're in Turkey now. Just the long arms, took a flight, landed. Now you're in front of these people. They don't even like. It's your first time performing in front of these people overseas. How are you feeling?
I was scared. I was scared because it was a different stage for me, you know, but I I was more grateful for the opportunity at the time. You know, like what was going on is that I was just feeling so grateful and scared. Really scared. I mean, it's a different market altogether. I was like, yo, if things don't work out here, I don't know, Shem, because I'd barely established myself in South Africa as an artist, you know. So I needed to like really push as really hard as I can back there, so that I can contribute towards me here. But
first gig in Turkey, where are you performing?
I am at.
Hey, some people are going there to perform. You are busy going there for the BBLs. Anyway, yeah. Anyway.
I will not comment.
I'm just saying. So now, where are you performing? Is it a club?
It's a hotel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we perform at hotels. And
yeah, plus your music is like it's not like a camping music, so I understand.
Wow, we jumped. That's what I'm saying. Guti, Turkey changed a lot of my perspective as an artist, because it exposed me to different genres of music that I didn't do here. Yeah. So, first performance, Lima Clara, Antalya, Turkey.
That's the place.
The name of the hotel was Lima Clara. Yes.
What?
Lima
Clara.
Yeah.
Lima Clara. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So I remember the first.
Is it like a big hotel in Turkey?
It's not the biggest, but it's one of the hotels in Turkey that we performed in. You know, because we performed it a lot. It was a local hotel that we performed in.
Okay.
Okay. We sing. First song I sang was Natural Woman by Aretha Franklin. Yes. That was the first song I sang.
And how's the crowd reacting?
Honestly, I was too nervous to even look at the crowd. I was probably just like, you know what, can this thing be over? Yeah. Because number one, I was wearing heels the whole performance, like 1 hour 45 minutes performance wearing heels.
And like you are like somebody who wears sneakers.
Yeah, I was not a heel person. Yeah. And now I think I am. Now I can
adjusting.
I'm adjusting.
Yeah.
But I think I was too nervous to even pay attention to people's reaction. You know, I was like, you know what, Lord, I'm just gonna do this.
Take the wheel. Yeah.
Take the wheel. Yeah, but I just sang. You know, it wasn't really much about seeing how they react. You know, it was really just about me getting to a place where I'm like, okay, I'm doing this.
Yeah.
This is me. And yeah, so I didn't really pay much attention to how people reacted. You know.
And like, how long have you been there?
I've been there for a year and a couple of weeks. Yeah.
And then how many performances did you do while you were there?
Over 100 performances. I know. It was a lot. Especially for someone who barely had gigs in SA.
Wait. Were they booking you guys here?
No, I mean, that's why I need to. I was
so
not
now,
established.
Now, what you're telling me is you guys are becoming bigger that side.
In a way, yes.
Damn.
In a way. So,
That's crazy.
But that was really not my goal, but it just ended up being like that, you know, because the company I work for, Rainbow Entertainment, is one of the best entertainment company.
Rainbow Entertainment deals with music. Is it like a record label or what's going on there?
It's an entertainment company. They offer entertainment for different hotels and they do events.
Is it?
In Turkey, though. They're based in Turkey now.
Damn. So you see, that's where the studio must come along now. Now you have to make your own music, man. Your name is out there. Come on.
It's mine, not my name. It's not my name personally that's out there. But I know that there's some people who remember my performance in the company, but people will remember the name of the company and the group that we're associated with.
So you are not like solo
yet. We are groups. They put us in groups of 3 people, and then some songs we lead, some songs we back. Yeah, well,
Okay.
so it was like that. It was like a team thing, an ensemble of 3 singers or 4 singers in a group, and yeah, we just entertained.
Now I saw you were booked in. Now, cause guys, you just came back last week, right? Yeah. I think it was Sunday. Yeah, she just came back last week. But you were performing very last year, and I think you were somewhere in. Is it Joburg Theatre?
I was in adverts. Like when I came back here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was at adverts.
So it is still your company that took you there?
No.
So
No, in South Africa, like Rainbow has nothing to do with anything I do here in South Africa. It's based in Turkey. Their focus is in Turkey. Whatever I do here as a musician is me as a solo artist. It has nothing to do with the company. But when I'm working in the company, I represent the company. I represent, you know. So I'm not pushing my own.
So wait. So when you live here, let's say you're leaving next week or next month or so, right? Are you living alone? Now you have a contract with your company that you're working with. So it's you inside your flight. No agent, no nothing. Shoo.
Why?
No, like this is big, dog.
It's not.
No, this is big.
But
This is big for you, because it's not like you've been signed to anyone. It's just that you're still working, and now
I'm a working musician.
You already have studied music. Now you're an artist.
Yeah.
So what we need from you, can you please give us music?
I will. Just be patient. Be patient. I mean, I told you it's been a rocky and dry journey. You know, getting to this point, and that's why I'm really grateful for this opportunity, because it's gonna enable me to push my own music, you know, because as much as I want to push I also love my job. I do. I love my job so much. I love singing for people from different walks of life all over the world, because people come in there from different countries, and they come there to the hotels, and we are the entertainment. So when we sing, we get to experience different people. So for me, that was that. You know, I love my job.
And then how did you feel when a big company like Now Media wrote an article about you?
To be honest, I only found out now that they did.
Shout out to Now Media. Shout out to Candice.
I haven't read it.
For real?
For real, I haven't read it yet. My mom told me about it.
So let's start from the beginning. Did you get a call, mommy saying, yo, you know what, maybe I spoke to these people, they said they want to do this?
She did tell me, no, they saw the videos, you know, I've been posting your videos. So they're like, oh, is that your daughter? She sings so well. Yeah. We'd like to do an article about her. But I thought that somebody they would want to have like an interview and talk to me about it. You know? But I guess Neskati, the singer I go at the time, because I mean I was working almost every day there and being late.
And you were that side, So you thought maybe they want to do like a Zoom thing,
something like that, or maybe a phone call, you know, just to get some content.
Like,
okay, so what are you
doing? A lot
of
info from you,
But I remember writing something down for my mom. You know, writing something down and I sent it to her. Okay, no, I think you can use this. You know, but the article, I think I'd forgotten about it. And then when my mom told me when I got back, do you know they actually wrote an article about you? I'm like, where is it? I'm like, I want to see this article, because I mean I didn't know, you know. But I guess I'm gonna read it. You just reminded me, which actually I should check it out.
You see, now I'm telling you, you're like a big deal, dog. You have to, you know, what I'm telling you guys, or what I'm pleading with her, is to get to the studio, guys. She has studied music. She's busy entertaining people. What is left for her is to give us music. We have to see you performing from your maybe your BT awards. We want to see you Oscars awards, because you're already traveling. You know, traveling now is your thing. Now you are getting hang of aeroplanes and stuff. you know. And then how was your first experience?
On the plane?
Yeah.
It was cool. It felt like a bus ride, honestly. Like
No way!
I wasn't scared. Like
A lot of people, you know what?
The takeoff and landing was a bit tricky because I mean, I've never been a fan of elevators and stuff. So whenever you would take off, it had that effect. No land out. It also had that effect. But once you are in the air, there's turbulence in the air. But I think I was just. Also, man, guys, I pray. Hey,
you're like, yo.
I trust the God who's bigger than the airplane and the turbulences. So I guess I carried that in my spirit, and I was like, I trusted him, and I was really, really, really calm the entire journey to Turkey. I enjoyed the airplane. I made sure that I don't worry about you. What if no, I can't do that. This is my first time being on an airplane, first time going overseas. I'm not gonna waste it worrying about what if no, I'm gonna be in the airplane and enjoy.
I like the positivity,
so I really enjoyed my first airplane ride. It was so chilled,
So do you have like your okay, because now you're saying you're posting a lot. I'm sure you're just posting on your statuses, on your Insta and everything. If people want to follow you, want to see exactly what you do when you're out there, where can they find you? On Insta, on Facebook, just give people your handles.
They can find me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is @aurablose. So you can definitely find me there. It is BLOSE, and my name is Aura. And on Facebook, Zintle Blose. That's it.
Yeah, guys. It was nice hanging out with him, man. I wanted to hear the journey of you studying. Because I think I saw your article where it's been brought. Because it started with Zintle Blossom, then she started here, whatever, including the church stuff and stuff. Then I was like, yo, you know what? Let me speak to mom. I want to sit down with her. I want to know like what is it that she's doing out there. Because she started music. So if you did study music, like where are we going with this journey? Now we're entertaining people. What's next? So hence I'm busy pushing that yo.
No,
why don't you hit some studios? Give us something, put it out there. Even if it's just like a single, man.
I know, but I mean, guys, I'm not saying it's not gonna happen.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, Guti, this journey has been very important for me to go on because I kind of went into this whole music thing in a perspective really right. It was just about getting noticed, but now
just hustling.
Going to Turkey, I went to a place where no one knows me, and I built myself up from that. So I was like, actually I can do this, even like higher without actually trying to be famous or anything. I know some things are just inevitable, but
you're just gonna play
it was about me. It made me realize, God made me realize through the journey, this isn't about you being famous. It's about you sharing your journey with the people, sharing your experiences with the people, and doing it through music. So
I think even if you can start like a YouTube channel.
I have a YouTube channel.
So put it out there, dog.
I have a YouTube channel.
Just upload your performance here and there. Hi guys, I'm doing this now. Just keep contact with us. Just build yourself like that. Man.
Yeah, I know. Believe me, I know everything you're telling me. Yeah. I know.
But like, are you doing it?
No, I'm not doing it yet.
Why?
Like I told you, I was busy that side. I literally didn't have much of a social life because we worked so much. And it's 7 during the day, people are sleeping. So when my day off, then we could actually, engage with our own personal things. But it was not as easy. I thought it was going to be possible, but it was not. But don't worry. I think in the on this journey mostly is to take it easy. to be patient with my journey and not feel rushed into doing things because others are doing it, or that with the fear of missing out.
You don't want it.
I don't want that. I don't want to come out into the world prematurely, because then so for me, this journey was literally breaking the foundations that I'd had before I left, and we rebuilt them again back there in Turkey, and now I'm reestablished, and just like a building is a kiwa, the foundation has been laid. Now I'm just building the walls. I'm building the walls, and I'm not feeling the pressure because I don't want that pressure on myself.
One break at a time. Okay. What is it that you like about Turkey? Your food,
What I like about Turkey,
language.
clothes.
Tell me about it.
The clothes.
Yeah.
I love clothes. I love styling. It's one of the things that I really, really am passionate about. So when I got there, the style was just like, whoa. It was nothing like I've ever seen. So I fell in love with the sense of style that they have there. And the clothes were one of the amazing things. And then what I also loved is that we were so close to the beach, so I could go to the beach anytime.
Damn, man.
I grew up in Joburg. There's no beaches. We have dams and rivers and pools. But there were we were surrounded by beaches, and it was really something I've never had. I appreciated the smallest things. Even the fact that there was a coffee shop just around the corner. I was like, okay, great. Because I'm a lover of coffee.
Damn,
so I was like, okay, I could just literally walk to a coffee shop and just chill, and have a nice cup of coffee. And I really love that about Turkey. And also, my brother, Turkey doesn't have a lot of crime.
Wait, you lie.
Yeah, that's what I love about Turkey. It doesn't have a lot of crime. So that's also one of the things I love about it. So I could literally just walk out during 12. Just walk.
Take a walk.
Just take a walk. Okay.
You're like, I'm enjoying this thing.
It was really amazing to not worry about your safety just for a minute. I'm not saying we're being reckless or anything. But it's nice to be in a space where you just feel like, okay, this could be my life.
You've been there for a year and a couple of weeks, right? What is it that you missed about Mzansi?
Ibaba. Ibaba nebutsu.
Oh my god!
That's my favorite traditional dish. Ibaba nebutsu. I remember when I was on my way back, when I just gotten my ticket to come back, I remember telling my parents, please buy me nkomazi and
damn. Just want to feel that
what I wanted.
I miss this.
And I remember my mom was like waving Ispael.
I
can't wait to come back home. And I missed the Putu, guys. I missed it. And I also missed just going to the tuck shop. I go to the tuck shop, but it's not the same. I missed going to the tuck shop. I missed eating it all time. I missed my friends. I missed my friends. I missed going to church.
Damn,
I missed, because it's a Islamic country. It's like, so there's a lot of Muslims there.
Yeah.
So we don't have Christian churches there unless you guys gather together and just meet. Which is what we did with a couple of my colleagues. We would meet together and just have church. But I missed church. I missed being in musical spaces in South Africa, because as much as I was doing music there, it was not the same as this side, because that side they have a different taste in music. Mina Channel, get jazz, R&B, and soul. And I missed being there. I missed being a part of jam sessions. And I missed a lot. But Oh, I missed the stony. They don't have stony. Stony, guys.
For real?
Just a stone. Simple stony.
Damn, man.
They only have Coke, Fanta, Pepsi, and Sprite. It's Fanta orange nakhona, you know. So, and I'm not a fan of the Coke kakhulu.
Ile basigwara bathi yathi namashanga in their life. Yeah, man.
But I miss the little things. Nokuhlala nje endlini. Ngizwe umaveji nje.
Yeah.
Phela, like
just the simple
things. And
but like I think when you travel, you get to appreciate the little things that is around you. That's why as a person, you have to go out there. You have to know, like, yo, this is important to me.
Strongly.
You have to go.
Strongly advise, because we don't know anything. We think we do know, but we don't know anything until we get out there and discover something we don't know.
Yeah.
I didn't know that there was, I knew there was a turkey, but I didn't know the cultures.
Yeah.
You know, I didn't know that this is how it is.
Yeah, man, because as much as she's saying, guys, in SA, most people, when we hear about Turkey, as much as I said, we're just thinking about the doctors and the BBLs. You know, we are not thinking about something that people can make a living out there. It is not just for we are going there for these special doctors and stuff. Do you get it? So for you who is I can say based in that side, because sooner you're gonna leave as well. So you might spend another year again away from home. So for somebody who had a best experience out there, shout out to you, man, for sharing your stories. Yeah, for saying, yo, what you hear about that place is not what it's exactly there. It's just that people are going there for that particular thing. You even mentioning there's no even crime, you know.
There is, but you hardly.
Yeah. I hear you.
Like it's probably umuntu osile.
It's like.
But like I said, because they're a Muslim country, I think Muslims have a certain conduct that they have, you know. So they really like are honest people. Honestly,
as somebody who's outside, guys, who travels a lot, I want to play a game with her with outside countries. Maybe after this, her companies might take her to go and perform at these places. So I wrote some quiz here. No? Where is it? Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna give you some countries and everything. Then I'm gonna give you A, B, C. So you have to pick one. Right? Okay. Are good? Let's go. Which of these countries is in Europe? You are the one who travels. Number 1, England. Number A, B, Thailand, and then C, Egypt.
It's England.
Hey! Damn, that was quick. Okay. That was good.
Definitely.
Okay, alright. Yeah. That's right. Okay, have you been there?
No, I've never. It's one of the countries I actually want to go to.
Is it? So because now your company is based in Turkey, are they willing to take you guys to go and see some other
Hopefully,
places?
I hope so.
Yeah.
You know, but right now they're based in Turkey.
Yeah, because it seems like, because for you mentioning something like you don't worry about your flight and whatever, like what can happen and everything. It seems like you're somebody who want to travel.
I'm willing.
Yeah. I can tell. Okay, which of these countries is in Northern America?
Sure.
Brazil, Canada, Australia. A, Brazil. B, Canada. C, Australia.
It's Canada.
Why am I giving you the easiest then?
B. It has to be B. No, I'm thinking North. It's cold.
Yeah,
Canada is one of the coldest countries in the
yeah.
world. Canada, it has to be.
Yeah, it is. It is. I should have wrote something way too difficult, guys. I feel so stupid, man.
Yeah, no.
Okay. Which of these countries is in South? Remember, the other one is on North. This one, South America. Germany, India, and Argentina.
Okay.
I got you in this one. Yeah.
And this country is in South America. Germany, ne? India, and
Argentina.
I am gonna go with Argentina.
Have you been there?
Nope.
So you only been in Turkey?
South Africa, take it.
Yeah. But at least maybe.
And maybe Qatar, but bypassing ka aeroplane. Can connect ka aeroplane. Connect more.
Qatar. Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I've never been in the country. But I've touched the ground. Qatar.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, so your flight doesn't take off from OR to take?
Some do, some don't. Yeah, but some connect at my international airports. Yeah, around the world, depending on the routes.
Okay. Yeah. It's Argentina, right? She got it. Last one, right? Which city is famous for being built on a small island or island? Amsterdam. Is it Venice and Tokyo?
Right, that's to be Amsterdam. Is it right?
No, what do you mean?
I'm thinking Amsterdam is just surrounded by water.
Yeah.
No, I'm thinking.
Is this one? It's the first time I saw this one. Venice or something.
Venice, yeah.
Yeah, Venice. Yeah, they say. So guys, make sure you do follow her on her Insta. Make sure you, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe like her. And you didn't even subscribe.
But you can subscribe.
She didn't even. I was gonna say.
I promise I'm gonna subscribe after this.
Make sure, guys, you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time when I drop a video, you'll be notified. This is gonna drop when am I gonna drop this? I think because we recorded the Gen Z's, maybe I'm gonna drop this on Thursday.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop this on Thursday. I'm gonna do the editing and everything. Thank you for chilling with me. Thank you for sharing your journey. I hope next time when you're bigger, you're still gonna have time for us. I wish you're gonna have time for us. To share your story from being from working for a company, for being alone out there. Because I really hope you can do this on your own. Get some bookings, get some like a manager. We have to talk about the managers. Like my manager to stay, but don't screw her. Yeah, man. So I really want you to have your own music, to have your own performance, for you to be your own company. When you say I'm going to the US, you're going to the US with your own company. So that's my wishes for you. Yeah. Please stay blessed. Travel safe again. May God be with you. Go enjoy. Make us proud, man.
Thank you.
So guys, we out.